This is PNN, the Psychedelic News Network, and I am Sebastian Coco, your host, as we recap the last week in psychedelic news. Companies looking to offer corporate coverage for psychedelic-assisted therapies, or PATs, may need to look no further. The Wall Street Journal reported on Jorge Yant, the founder of Plexus Healthcare Systems, who has begun offering his employees PAT coverage through benefits startup Enthea. Yant told the Journal he's experimented with psychedelics himself and is happy to offer coverage of the therapeutic practice to his employees. The psychedelic surge is definitely upon us, with one psilocybin treat based out of Vancouver, Canada, reaping major rewards. Fox News covered the Journeyman Collective, the retreat run by Native Canadians that has seen a 183% rise in bookings in the last year. The owners and operators of the retreat talk about what the journeying looks like and how the legal status of psychedelics has affected their work. Can a small dose of mushrooms help your short game? Men's Health UK says that Melissa Sanchez, the wellness projector at Juniper Reserve, a pair of golf courses in Oregon, seems to think so. She's currently trying to establish a program at the courses that provides golfers with magic mushrooms through state-licensed facilitators in an effort to provide a new experience on the cutting edge of health and wellness. The program is still under review. In global news, the city councilors of Vancouver have shot down a proposal to create a regulatory retail framework for shops to sell magic mushrooms. This rejection is a somewhat interesting turn of opinion, as only a month before, the same city council reinstated the business license of a psychedelics dispensary owned by activist Dana Larson, in a move that effectively made the shop the first legal retail environment for psychedelic drugs in Canada. Finally, Science Business announced that the EU launched a landmark €6.5 million study this week on the use of psychedelics to treat mental disorders. The project is called PsyPal, involves 19 organizations from 9 different European countries, and is expecting to recruit around 100 patients from 4 different clinical sites across Europe. Thank you all for watching. This has been the Psychedelic News Network, reporting on April 7th through April 14th. Have a great day and an even better trip.